Hi dear Aries, a very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 16th till the 22nd of December. I'm going to pull one card for each day. You can take it as messages or guidance or warnings or simple plain challenges or obstacles that you might face in this particular week. Okay. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. And if you want to learn about Ho'oponopono, the best healing modality of the world, you can go for my workshop. It's 1 hour master class, and it's super easy to understand. Okay. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can definitely check out other listings on my website. If there is any doubt or issues, you can mail me on tarotanjali@gmail.com. So let's start. Let me just sort it out for you guys. Next. Hmm. Kinney. I'm mad. First message for you guys is understanding 18th. Okay, you have to understand this, that your power lies within yourself. The belief, the restrictions, the feeling of I can't do it, it's not possible, it's not meant for me, is just a limiting belief that is created by yourself only. You can break the chain, you can break the trap, and you can also fly high like other like birds are doing. Okay, it's all about understanding, it's all about having the faith that you can do it. It's just an illusion and delusion. You can definitely get over that, but you have to understand that it's your own limiting belief, it's your own thing that's stopping you from getting what you really want in your life. Okay. 19th of December, the outsider, same message. You're feeling like a outsider in your own energies, in your own maybe family, in your own work dynamic or energetic dynamic. It's see, the lock is not closed here. If you can see properly, you can just break the you can just pull the chain and open the door. Okay. So you can definitely open the door and go inside and have your own life, enjoy your own life. You don't have to feel like outsider all the time. Maybe you're different from others, doesn't mean that you are an outsider, you don't belong to this world. It doesn't matter how people perceive you. How you perceive yourself is the best thing to do, is the best understanding that you should have about yourself. Don't feel like an outsider. Maybe you are just a different person, different personality. Every one of us is, but you have to just accept it for what accept yourself for what you are and who you are. Okay. 18, 19, 20, 20th intensity. Okay, I do see you being in this powerful energy of I have to shift something in myself, I have to change something in myself. If I'm not going to do anything about it, it is never going to change. So the kind of intensity, the kind of feelings, the kind of energy you are going to feel on this particular day is going to make you realize that you have the power to change and heal a lot of things. It all takes from you is intensity and the courage to go in that direction with full force. Okay, with full energy. Okay, 21st 18 19 20 18 19 20 21st 29 22nd 23rd 23rd December, I must say. 18 till the 23rd. 18 19 20 21st 22nd 23rd 24th. Oh, it's like 18 till the 24th of December. What is happening? Let me see. Let me come. I'm really sorry. This is from 16 till the 22nd of December. Really very sorry about it. It's like 16 understanding. 16, you have the power and the courage to understand your own energies. Let me quickly redo it. That you can break the chains, you can break the cage, and you can come out and fly high. Okay, 17th, you are going to feel a little bit of like offbeat, or you're going to feel a little bit left out in your energies. But it's all your energies, your perception that you are not going beyond a certain point. You can definitely again open the gate, and you can also go in the world and shine. You are different, you're not an outsider. Okay. 17, 16, 17, 18 is the intensity. This is intensity. Now the force and the courage that you're going to get within inside of yourself is the same force and the courage that is going to help you to go beyond a certain point and overcome a fear that you might be facing from quite a long time now. 19th, we have the courage. You have to show the courage that you are different. You know there is something different in you. There is something that you are doing differently in your energies that other people might not be able to understand, and that's completely fine. Okay, Aries, you don't have to make other people understand all the time. It's your energy, it's your path, it's your journey. So even if you are going to feel like left out in the cold, even if you're going to feel something is impossible, show the courage to the universe, and you will definitely be able to get the results someday. Not even immediately, but eventually. 16, 17, 18, 19. 20, we have the celebration. I do see the more you are going to go out of your comfort zone and celebrate life, the more you will be able to enjoy your life to the fullest, and you are going to get good results as well. Good kind of vibes, good kind of energies also. You will be able to attract those kind of people, situation and things around you that is going to help you to navigate your life in the right direction. Very good. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21st, we have the going with the flow. Just go with the flow. Don't try to go against the flow with like whatever is happening, just let it happen. Be a witness. Be an energy of just watching and letting go. Watch and let go. Watch and let go. Like watch whole story, whatever is happening inside of you, outside of you, like a film is playing, and just go with the flow. Let everything happen the way it is happening. Okay, and the 22nd, we have the source. The universe got your back. All you have to do is to get up and connect with the source, connect with the divine. The only way we can do that is by meditation. By meditation, by awareness, by witnessing whatever is happening, and by mindfulness, by remaining in the present moment also. We just connect with the source, right? That is what I have for you for this week, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.